In this video, you will learn how to make a new page. Sometimes you need to make a new page and link it to a key. For example, a mother may create a new page for her daughter, so she can add the lines to the upcoming school play, Romeo and Juliet. Remember, pages are off of the Pages key in the top right-hand corner of the screen. If you want to link a new page to a key, first you need to create a new page. To do this, enter the toolbox. Then touch Create Page. Create Page is a purple key in the middle of the screen. Type the name of your page. In this example, I am going to type 00 School Play. I like to put 00 at the beginning of the page name, so it will be at the top of the pages list when I go to look for it. Select OK. Now select your desired grid size. Grids range from 4 to 144 locations. Typically, people choose a grid that matches their communication program. In this example, I'm going to select a 60 location grid. Now touch Create Page from Template. You are now looking at your new blank page called 00 School Play. It is best to use a template because it will automatically give you a Go Back and Go to Core. Select a white key to add the first line to the school play. We are now ready to program this key. To save yourself time, it is most efficient to program in the following order. First, start with Change Icon, then spell Message or Define Key Function, and end with Change Label. These keys are light blue in color and numbered 1 through 3. Start with number 1, Change Icon in the bottom left-hand corner. This is where you will select a symbol for the key. Now select Spell Icon Defined. It is in the bottom left-hand corner. Type man. Then select OK. I will use this symbol to represent Romeo. If you do not want a picture and just a printed message, select No Icon at the bottom left-hand corner. Touch the icon of the man. Now touch Spell Message or Define Key Function. This is where we will type the line of the school play. Clear the message window by touching the Clear Display in the left-hand corner of the screen. To capitalize the first letter, touch the Shift key and then keep typing. The Shift key will automatically unlock itself at the first letter. Type O Romeo. At the end of the line, put a space. It is important to put a space after the last letter so the next spoken word does not run on to the previous words. Press OK in the bottom right-hand corner. You will notice the label automatically changed. So you are done programming this key. If you want to continue to add more lines of the school play, select Choose Next Key to Define at the bottom middle of the screen, and repeat the process of adding an icon, a message, and a label. When finished with your page, select the OK key, and it will bring you out to the toolbox. Then select Go to Home. Your page is now created. However, it will not appear yet. In order to see your new page, you need to link it to a key. Please watch the Linking a New Page video tutorial to learn how to link your new page. Please note, for day-to-day communication, most use Unity Core vocabulary instead of making pages. If you find yourself needing to make more and more pages, it might be time to switch to a Unity program with more words. Thank you for learning how to make a new page.